Hello children, welcome to our school, St. Mary's English Medium School. So, all of you come with me. Yes, now this is our entrance. At the entrance, we are having a beautiful church. Can you see children? And many trees are there around it. Children, this is a security office and you all are safe and sound under the tight security. Here we are using modern security measures for your all safety. St. Mary's School Campus, St. Mary's English Medium, JEE and NEET Academic, Department of Science and Commerce and Gujarati Medium School, Science and Commerce Gujarati Medium. And children, we are going to move inside a school campus. And can you see this side? Yes, beautiful KG park for you all, for all our small children. And can you see this side? Yes, this is adventurous park. But it is not for small children, it is for the big children. Children, today we are here in a beautiful garden. And you know one thing children, to make this garden beautiful, we need a good gardener. So here we are having a Manjibai who takes care of a garden and who makes our garden beautiful by giving it a beautiful shape. As teacher gives shape to your life, so our beautiful garden is given shape by a Manjibai. My dear children, and now we are going to enter into our administrative office. But be very careful, you have to maintain silence and everybody has to keep their mobile in silence. So all of you come with me. These are our IT teams who are here to render their service and they are always at your service. He is Mr. Deepak, the head of the IT department and the team. Yes, because of them you are able to get the online services like online classes, online payment, and they are the person who are helping you to get this Google classes, YouTube, through which you can see the videos well, and they are the great help for that. So they are there at your service.
Hello, I am Mr. Deepak, head of the IT department. Of all kind of services, online services being done from here, we are at your service.
This is a finance department who answers all your doubts and queries regarding the fees, scholarship and other things. Yes children, now we are at the entrance of a KG section, your department, and here with playing you are going to study many more things. So are you ready for that? And now we have entered into a beautiful classroom. Can you see that wall paintings? Yes, they are wild animals. Correct, fox, wild buffaloes, monkeys. Yes, tiger is drinking water. Elephant, crocodile, zebra, lion and eagle. And that is our national bird, peacock. Yes, and we are having camel over here. And tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a blackboard. What you do there? Correct. Teacher teach you how to write different alphabet. So, are you ready to study? This is our audio visual room. And as we know, when we see things, we learn fast. So, whatever we teach our children in the class, we bring them here to see it visually. And here we have many educational and motivations program for our children. So, this is our AV room. And children, this is the exit for a KG section. We are at the right side of a KG park. Yes, in a beautiful playground. You all enjoy playing in the playground, right? Different games. Yes, can you see there? Beautiful wall paintings which are done by our students. And this side we are having Father Palau Memorial Stadium. And can you see that court? Yes, football and all. So, we have different sports activities in a beautiful playground. And my dear children, now we are at the main entrance of a school building where educational activities are physically done. Yes, my dear children, and now we are going to enter into a principal's office. But before that, can you see here something? Yes, it is a beautiful fish tank. And can you see different fishes of different colors? Are you all enjoying, right? Yes, but now we are going to enter into the office, and please be careful. You all have to maintain silence and be a good children. All of you come with me. Good morning, Father.
Good morning.
Yes, children. And this is a principal office where curricular and co-curricular activities are managed here. Now we have entered into one of the major department of our school, that is Department of Science. Can you see your children performing different practical? Yes, here we mold our children to be a future doctors and engineers. They have passed JEE and NEET from here, and many of them have taken admission in Ahmedabad Medical College and Bhavnagar Medical College, and we always expect for 100% result. This is our physics lab where our children are practically trained in physics, biology and chemistry. They are would-be future doctors and engineers. Once they go from here, they will be well equipped. And this is a biology lab. Can you see there many specimens? Yes. Can you see this? 18 weeks fetus, then brain. So here we are having many more specimens. Here we train our children before they enter into any medical college to get used to all these things. So can you see here our children performing it practically? So my dear children, today we have learned about the different department of our school, that is pre-primary, primary, lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary, and apart from that JEE and NEET academic. In true sense, St. Mary's English Medium School is heaven on earth. We make angels here.
Dear students, do remember